The Hellgate Rollergirls, HGRG, are a women's roller derby team based in Missoula, Montana. They are a non-profit organization and compete in local and regional roller derby leagues and adopted the name Hellgate Rollergirls. The board of directors, all committee heads, members, and all skaters are volunteers. The team was founded in 2009, and initial public meetings drew great interest. Over 80 attended a September 2009 meeting. They began playing bouts in mid-2010. Their first event was an exhibition held in August 2010. League colors, red and black. Hellgate Roller Derby also has a junior league, the Hellgate Hellions, which welcomes girls ages 12 to 17 to participate. See also: Missoula, Montana. Missoula Osprey. References